You just came out of the Addy Foundation Ready for Success workshop. What was a big takeaway for you?
To say yes more. I think some of us can be a little bit closed-minded sometimes. It does shun us away from a lot of opportunities.
There's times where you can say no, but at the end of the day, sometimes going for a yes can actually be beneficial.
Sophia, you were plucked out of the audience and thrust into the spotlight. Give us your thoughts.
At first I was nervous, but then whenever I was up there and people were still clapping, I was like, oh, this isn't that bad.
A big takeaway was the ability to communicate well and economize the way we say things.
It's not just about how you talk to a person. Active listening, it plays a factor within coding and relationships, networking too.
It was really entertaining too.
If I were to say to you, would you like a boxed lunch? You would say,
Yes. And can you have some more cookies up there?
there you go, boom.
Thank you, Addy Foundation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.